Today we will talk about chronic pelvic pain in women. So this is a fairly common condition and it presents as either pain during or after passing urine or motion. It can present as pain during or after sexual intercourse and it can be extremely debilitating. It often happens that most of the investigations advised by gynecologists, urologists are all normal, and often these patients are referred for psychiatric opinion, counseling, but the pain does not go away. So this could happen because of hyperirritation or excitability of the nerves which supply the urine passage, the passage of motion and the vagina in women. Also, the muscles around these areas, which we commonly call as pelvic floor muscles, these may be too tight or hyperexcitable or irritable, due to which on slightest stimulus they go into spasm and contraction. Because of that, there might be intense pain during any of the activities that have been mentioned. For this, what a pain specialist does is we try to come to the root cause of the problem, ensuring that there is no other pathology involved in any of the organs like the urinary bladder, the urethra, the opening of the urethra, the vagina, the uterus, the cervix, and the posterior part, that is the rectum or the anal canal. Once it is confirmed that there is no problem in any of these structures, then it is said that this is due to irritation of the nerves and tightness of the muscles involved. So radiofrequency ablation of the nerves supplying all these structures, that could help in reducing the irritability of these structures and the pain will go down. Also, we might have to do a Botox injection of the pelvic floor muscles so that the spasm or the hyperirritability of these muscles goes down. But they do have excellent results and the pain can go away forever.